The truth is, you don't have a psychology problem. You have a money problem disguised as emotion. When trading, one emotion leads to another. Impatience makes you fall straight set up. Losing makes you want your money back. Wanting it back just makes you increase your risk, and increasing your risk just leads you to event trading, which leads you to blowing your account. Any trading emotion you are facing right now, or you've ever faced in trading, just falls down to mine. I'll be breaking down the 10 methods I use to control my mind and stop impulsively making decisions after losing a trade. But that's not all. I will also be giving you a journaling tool I use to help me journal those emotions I learned from them. Because without it, these 3 steps I'm about to give you won't work. And that brings us to the first and critical step: avoid or block. This step is to physically remove the access to the buy and sell button immediately we take a trade, whether it's a winner or a loser. Think about it. Let's say you're trying to burn fat, and then you have a big bowl of ice cream in your fridge. One day you're just sitting there and you're just craving ice cream. The chances are you're going to take the ice cream from your fridge because it may not be very good to you. But let's say the ice cream was not even in your fridge at all. Let's say you had to go all the way to a shop and you had no time or money or even energy to even go get it at all. Chances are those thoughts and cravings will pass simply because it's not made accessible to you. That's the same thing for trading. You need to block all access to that buy or sell button, and the best way to do that is the moment you close the trade, win or loss, you have like a 10-second window before those thoughts of taking another trade starts to kick in. In those 10 seconds, close your trading plans. So don't look at other pairs. Don't scan for other setup. Close it. Switch off the device you used to trade and physically hand it to someone else in your hand. Tell them, do not give this back to me for the next 15 or 30 minutes. So now you blocked access to it, but it won't just go away easily. You have to replace that thought with something better. Because the reality, you cannot fight the thought of overtrading or event trading using just willpower. Your brain is wired to solve problems immediately. And after taking a loss, the brain sees a threat and needs to be fixed right now. And trust me, that is the mental battle you will lose every single time. They need to replace it. And this could be going for a walk, playing a video game, or even working on the side hustle. Anything you can do to take your mind off it. Like I said, you can't fight a mad habit with willpower. You will lose every time. Instead, replace it with a system that makes a decision for you. And that brings us to our third and most important point, which is rewiring our brain towards our thoughts to see it as a negative thought. Because the brain is also wired to restrain you from negative things. Just like when you put your hands in the fire and you remove it immediately, most likely you won't want to do it again, because your brain has seen that thing as negative and is trying to protect you from that negative boom. If you're able to make your brain see the thought of taking another trade as something negative, then you'll be able to stop it and it just becomes part of you. And the way I do that is true. I'm talking about writing emotions before, during, and after the trade. Also journaling your entries, your exits, and your profits or loss for that particular item. And to make this easier for you, I created a digital trading journal. So you don't have to stress yourself writing all those things, and you just click the link below to get it. Now you can avoid or block a thought, even replace and journal everything. But here's what most traders don't realize. Even with perfect discipline, there's one external factor in the market that quietly drains your account on every trade. And if you don't know how to navigate it, you'll still lose consistently. So watching this next video, the system I use to easily make price action on every single trade, because that's the missing piece that protects every single thing just named.